Stir-frying is an umbrella term for cooking food over higher heat while stirring frequently so it cooks evenly. It's a rapid cooking technique that relies on all ingredients being prepared before the cooking begins. Everything is cut to uniform sizes. This ensures that each ingredient cooks at the same rate. Be sure to dry any vegetables so water won't cause splattering in the pan. Prepare all your ingredients beforehand and set them near the stove. Use a large, deep pan, like a stir-fry pan, so the ingredients stay inside as they are tossed around. The ingredients should be cooked in a logical order, based on how much time each one needs to cook to the proper crisp, tender texture. Heat the pan over medium-high heat. In our example recipe, the meat is added first. Then, after about 3 minutes, harder vegetables like onion and broccoli are added. After another 3 minutes, softer vegetables like bell pepper are added. This ensures that the total cooking time for each ingredient is just right. Use a heat-safe spatula or spoon to stir the food frequently, or just toss the food right in the pan. When your stir-fry is done, serve the dish family style on a large platter or plate it individually.